In this video, we're going to be comparing the JBL Tune 770NC versus the Soundcore Live Q30. So these are two popular budget-friendly noise-cancelling headphones. So the JBL Tune is known for its punchy bass and clear vocals, so it leans more towards a fun and energetic sound signature, while the Q30 offers a balanced sound profile with good detail and a slightly more neutral sound. Now in terms of noise cancellation, the JBL Tune provides effective noise cancellation for everyday use, blocking out common noises like airplanes and train rumbles, while the Q30 is generally considered to have slightly better noise cancellation than the JBLs, especially for lower frequencies. And when it comes to comfort, the JBL Tune are mostly comfortable for most, with soft ear cups and a lightweight design, while the Q30 can feel a bit bulkier and heavier than the JBLs, which might be less comfortable for extended wear. So the features that really stand out on the JBL are its foldable design for easy portability, its multi-point connection, and its signature bass sound, while the Q30 has longer battery life, multiple EQ modes, and better app integration for customization. So lastly, in terms of price, both headphones are typically priced at the same range, so just make sure to check out reviews and if possible, try them on before making a decision to see which one you prefer. So make sure to let us know what you think in the comments, and of course leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.